Hi Sylvia. I would like to explain you how to upload materials into the project activity page. Okay, if you want to upload material, then go to the material folder. Find a suitable folder. Either you would like to upload images, videos, or files. If you want to upload files, click here and upload the file. For example, here I have found I have to find another one. Okay, let's say this one. When this is done, okay, now it's uploaded in the material files. If you want to upload images, you can upload an image. This one, let's say. Okay, and once you have added all the materials here, okay, I will erase this. Once you have uploaded all the desired material here in the material folder, then go to the pages folder. And find the page you want to upload the material to. For example, you want to upload the presentation of your hometown, click to hometown. Then this is the page of your home where we upload the hometown presentations. Click here to edit the page and click once again. And once the page is opened, you can upload the material you have previously uploaded into the material folder. So if you want to upload a document, choose it from the documents. If you want to upload an image, choose it from the images. And if you want to upload a video, find it in the video folder. But you want to upload a presentation, so click here and upload the presentation you have uploaded before. Don't forget to save it, okay? I won't save it because I don't want to have it here on my page. So if you have further questions, please don't hesitate. Call me or write me, okay? Good luck. Bye.